Last game of the regular season, Southview visiting Bowling Green, both looking to end on a high note. First set, Bobcats on the run, backside to Kate Suter, off the block for the kill. Bowling Green out to an 8-point lead. Set point, the senior Sophia Twig puts it away. Bowling Green takes set one, 25-15. In the second set, the Bobcats, they go back to their senior Twig. She delivers another kill, and set two belongs to Bowling Green, 25-10. In the third, the Cougars not going away quietly. Middle hitter Elena Morgan throws it down. Southview with their first lead of the night, but the Bobcats battle back for the 25-22 win, sweeping Southview.
Well, when we're down, we always find a way to get back up and get motivation from our student section, from the girls on the bench. We always have that boost of energy to help us go through the motions. Our defense was doing really good tonight. Our setter, Abby, amazing as always. She was able to give me the sets that I needed to put the ball away.
Gretchen Brown and Steve Ronkowitz have more from Bowling Green.
Regular season wrap-up here in the NLL tonight at Bowling Green as the Bowling Green Bobcats come away with straight set victory over Southview in this one. And it seems almost, Gretchen, that it was easy the first two sets for BG. Southview didn't put up a lot of resistance in those first two sets, but we talk about the third set. That's what you like to see out of Southview. They came back in the third set, really put some pressure on BG.
BG did a really good job tonight just being in control of the entire match. They had their moment in the third set where Southview came out with more of a sense of urgency and forced the hand a little bit.
We talked about Madison Cowan, the freshman, did such a good job. Her leaping ability is second to none, but just you talk about the ball out of her hands. In baseball, you talk about the bat and the ball making a different sound. The ball makes a different sound off the hand of Madison Cowan.
She did a nice job tonight. She had a sound match. She had a little glimpse there in the third set of being a freshman, but came around and did a nice job for her team.
Well, both these teams now look to tournament time next week as the regular season has come and gone in the blink of an eye. We will see how things will start to play out next week once the state tournament starts things up.